I'm going to show you how to build a field agent for your Airtable CRM that will take someone's first, last name, and company and go out and find their LinkedIn profile, automatically bringing it back into your Airtable. My name is Andrew Dodds. I am a co-founder at SimpleStack, and we help businesses get automated through apps, integrations, and portals. So you can see here over on my screen that I was able to retrieve my own LinkedIn profile with just referencing a first, last, and company. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to build this from scratch. So the first thing that you need to reference is you need to go into your people table or wherever that is in your Airtable CRM and make sure that you're capturing at least the first, last, and their company. Okay. And we're going to create this now. So you're going to go to Create Custom Agent. This will be called LinkedIn Profile. And you're going to want to make sure in Tools that you turn on Web Search. By default, it may be off. You want to make sure that's on. And we're going to write a prompt here that's going to reference these three fields. So with every good prompt, AI prompt has three pieces to it. The first is that you give it a role. So I'm going to say, you are an expert lead researcher at a large company for a sales team. Your job is to find a LinkedIn profile or a record based on the first name, last name, and company. Okay, so we're telling it what to do. We're going to say return only the profile. So this makes sure that it just returns that information and nothing else. That means no spaces, trailing commas, things like that. Make sure you get a really clean output. If you can't find a profile output, and we'll put what it should output in quotes, needs review. And then the final thing is to give it its context, which is we got to tell it what fields to look at for first name, last name, and company. It actually won't know that automatically, but we can show it fairly quickly. So we're going to do first name. If you get a curly bracket, you can access the fields. These are called tokens. So we're going to do that for last name and then company. Okay. So those are the basics of the prompt. You can also choose your model if you wish. We're just going to keep it what we've got. And we've got this internet search enabled. So let's go ahead and create that. And you'll see that it is now searching the web based on these three fields, and that it's pulled in my LinkedIn profile. And one thing I want you to note is, it's not just entering that information into the URL and guessing the URL, it's actually finding the URL for this specific person at this company. So this was a really quick field agent that you should definitely add to your Airtable CRM if you haven't already. Got tons of great tips all the time. Like and subscribe if this was helpful. I'll see you in the next video.